guys, it's Kayla. I am a co-owner of Salt Beauty Bar and blow dry specialist here, and I am going to bring to you what we created, and we call it the Blowdry Box. And this is it. It comes in a little box like this. And it's pretty much essentially we wanted to create we offer an express blowout here, which means you skip the shampoo bowls, you hop in a seat, you get dry conditioner, dry shampoo, hairspray, oil style, and you're out the door. We wanted to create that and on the go and for you to take with you. And essentially every box you get about at least three express blowouts. And so I'm gonna walk you through what's inside and how to do it. So once you open the box, you're gonna see a card on the inside. And this is just telling you our steps 1 through 5 of how to do this. And so this is like a great on-the-go thing. What I love about the blow-dry box is you can take it if you have to go to a wedding, if you have to go to an event, if you don't have time to make an appointment or you waited too long, because I'm guilty of that, to get in. We wanted to create accessibility and ease for whatever you have to do. So you open it up, you see the card, you get inside dry conditioner, you get a Perk Up dry shampoo, a Fluxus Touchable hairspray, and we have them in 2 travel size oil bottles. You get the Blockade Heat Defense Amika oil, which is amazing, and you guys, this is a lot of oil, okay? We didn't want a giant clunky oil in there, we wanted to make it to go for you. This stuff is so powerful and a little bit goes a long way. And we also included a clip. So in this video I'm gonna show you the steps, how I do it, and how you can style with a clip, and a couple different ways of wearing your hair, so stay tuned. Okay, so today for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna be using full-size bottles. So I'm gonna start with first, what it says step 1 in our how-tos. We're gonna use dry shampoo. You're gonna really wanna shake the bottle, and you're focusing dry shampoo at the root, okay? Where you get most oily, which is usually like the crown, like the mohawk section of the head. So my secret to dry shampoo is you wanna make sure you get it on there, and if you see white, that's good. Like if it makes your hair look lighter, that's okay, we're gonna leave it there. What you wanna do with dry shampoo, you wanna let it sit for a minute before brushing it out so it actually has time to absorb the oils. And honestly, I use dry shampoo immediately after I get out of the shower, like after my hair is dry, not wet, to give my hair not such a, I don't know about you, like if my hair is too clean, it's too soft, and it won't do anything. Dry shampoo is a great way to add, look at this, texture and volume. Like look at that, without adding anything to weigh the hair down. And it's preventative too, because it's gonna be absorbing the oils as you go. Put it in this area, wherever you feel like you need it. And it kind of gives my hair like this little muted tone to it. And what we're gonna do is, like it says on here, we're gonna leave that until the very end and then we'll brush it out. Okay, second is the dry conditioner. This is really to do from mid-shaft to ends. And you wanna just spray it on. And it's just to help rehydrate, freshen up the hair. You really don't wanna focus this too much on your roots, because like you would in the shower, you really kind of, same kind of idea here. You wanna just really hydrate the ends in the middle of the hair where it's the most. We always have natural oils here, so we don't need to really encourage that or help that. So this is really helpful to just freshen up these ends from about here down, and then from here up, dry shampoo. Moving on, then we're gonna do the oil. So oil is usually like a pea-sized amount depending on your hair. I'll do a little bit more just because I have a lot. And I love this oil, I love this oil because you wanna rub it on your hands, all over your hands, dispersed. It doesn't weigh the hair down. It's not heavy enough where I have very fine hair, but a good amount of it, and it still doesn't make my hair look oily or greasy. Always, again, focusing on mid-shaft to ends and making sure that it's evenly distributed, and then we're gonna brush it through, and we're gonna take the extra product by brushing it through and put it from roots to ends, but it's gonna be evenly dispersed, so it's not gonna be heavy. And then you have heat protection all over your hair. So now what we're gonna do, since we have these products all in the hair, I like to then take my brush, and this is just like a regular wet brush, any kind of brush you have, brushing down through most product down here, starting from mid-shaft to ends, and then we're gonna start by bringing it up to the top and brushing it through, and now you're pulling through that hydrating oil and some of that dry conditioner, all those things. And what I love about Amika is everything works so well together, and they complement each other, and everything just really freshens up your hair and just makes it not only smell amazing, but feel amazing. And I use this in my kit all the time when I'm on weddings too and on the go, because I just know that they're going to perform how I need them to. So after you brush it out, you can take like your fingers and kind of like work the dry shampoo, or if you feel like you have really dark hair, what you can always do is just take like a damp paper towel or a damp washcloth or a baby wipe, I've got plenty, and just kind of like lightly take off any, like if you see cast of dry shampoo. Again, the Perk of dry shampoo is amazing because it doesn't leave like that heavy film, and I'm able to use it on a range of hair colors. So now you have a perfect base of protection and volume, and what we're gonna wanna do now is pick your hot tool of choice. So you can use a wand, you can use a flat iron, you can use hot rollers, you can do a curling iron. Honestly, whatever you want and you envision for your style. I'm gonna choose my, I wanna say this is an inch barrel wand. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna wand my hair. Always using a clip is really fun. Whenever I'm doing my own hair, I always part straight down the middle, like I have pigtails, bring it all forward, and then I work in sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, I'm back. So I went ahead and did a curl all the way around. Best thing to do is after you're done curling, let them to just sit, and since I'm kind of going for like a beachy wave, you don't have to be perfect. Like some pieces are more straight than others, and more like wavy, the ends are out. You want them to cool, so let your hair cool down, and then what we're gonna take is our Fluxus Touchable hairspray, and we're gonna just spray all over. Okay? And another great thing to have too is like a teasing brush, a back combing brush, just to kind of get at your root, and with that dry shampoo in there, it really helps to kind of just give your hair some more body and volume. Because I know when my hair is really clean, which it is, I just took a shower yesterday and washed it, it wants to just kind of be flat. So the more like product dirty you get your hair, the better. So now what we're gonna do is take our brush, and you can just actually spray that too, because like wet brushes sometimes are plastic bristles or sometimes they're boar bristle or a mixture. Spray it with hairspray so it doesn't get staticky. And then what you're gonna do is just comb it through. And this is again, how I am choosing to style my hair, meaning like more of a beach wave, a relaxed wave. If you don't wanna do that, obviously, you know, do what you want. Combing this out to kind of give it that soft wave, and again spraying that with the brush with that really helps when it comes to just keeping it not so staticky. And then what you can do is take a drop of your oil again, rub it all in your hands, and it's good for your cuticles and all that fun stuff. And then just start again by taking it mid shaft to ends, really focusing it down here, and then whatever's left and extra you can take up here and kind of just tame the frizz. Playing around like that, and then take your hairspray again. Since this is such a light hold hairspray, it really is something that is just going to calm your frizz down. It just makes things not crunchy. It's going to flatten any flyaways and frizz and just allow you to have a very, it's almost like you don't have hairspray in your hair. Another thing you could do is take your hot iron and always kind of press down on the top to calm frizz down. And then we also have some awesome great like anti-humidity products here, and some like root like lifter powders and stuff like that. So if you really are struggling with certain things, we can definitely troubleshoot it and get you the perfect product for your hair. Now, I'm gonna show you a way that I would just do this with my clip that's super easy. This is, and now all the clips are gonna be different. That's just what we have it offered in these boxes right now. So we may do this forever, we may not, but all of them are different, the different shapes and different colors and styles. But one way to do it is where you part your hair. You know, you can have your hair parted in the middle and do this. You can have it parted more to the side. Whichever side, if you have it parted in the middle and you have less hair, like the side you have less hair on, kind of just take that side and twist it away. And I like to put this clip going down, like so instead of like a normal barrette where you kind of like slide it in going upwards this way and the clip's back here, sometimes that pokes out. So if you actually take it from the top and slide it down, it's gonna stay more on the side of your head. And it just gives like a really cute hairstyle. It's just swept away, and that's just a way to like do a going out look, or wherever you're gonna go, wherever you're taking your blow dry box. The possibilities are endless, and we just want to give you guys convenience. That's our main goal here. So we really hope you enjoyed this. Do you have any questions and comments, please leave them down below, and we'd be happy to answer your questions. Thanks, guys.